Hello everyone, welcome back to BP Interview Tutorials. I hope you guys are doing really well, and today we came up with an important concept that is on DSAT analysis or scrubbing. So before moving to the video, I would request everyone to please share, subscribe the channel, click on bell icon so that you will get notification on all the upcoming videos. You can also check the playlist. You will find 200 plus videos that will help you in cracking interviews related to trainers, team leaders, quality analysts, WFM analyst, MS Excel dashboard, Six Sigma certification, reports, many more videos are there guys. So just check the videos and crack your IGPs very easily. Today concept that is on DSAT scrubbing or DSAT analysis. So before moving to it, I hope you understand the meaning of DSAT, that is customer dissatisfaction, wherein customer will give us rating on the basis of the service what we provide them. So let's start the concept. DSAT basically stands for customer dissatisfaction. This is very critical parameter in order to improve the quality of the service what we are providing in the current market. And DSATs will come in multiple way, like it might be because of agent issue or service issue, or customer only itself not happy with the service because of any of the reason, and there might be a reason because of any technical issues. So to do the scrubbing, or I can say to do the audits, we do have a multiple ways, wherein the one way we have, that is ACPT analysis. The video is already prepared. Check out the description, you will find a link there so that you can learn that particular thing very easily. How we can calculate the DSAT? The formula is quite simple. Number of surveys, like number of negative surveys we have received, divided by the overall surveys into 100. Example, if I receive 2 negative survey, that is 2, and overall surveys I have received is 10, then my DSAT score will move to 20%. In this way you can calculate. In any many of the organization, basically give service in many way, like you will find a smileys like happy, very happy, not happy, okay with the service. And you will find also stars like 5 stars, 4 star, 3 stars, and sometimes you will also find messages like good, worst, or average. In this way you will find the details of the service. Let's move to the another concept, that is on DSAT analysis features, like what kind of features we do have in terms of understanding the DSAT analysis. The one is customer feedbacks are very important to improve our service, and this is again a quantitative measures, because we will getting a numbers over here and we can easily do the analysis behind it, wherein the DSATs basically help in understanding the customer satisfaction. Here either there is any improvement required in our company, or any agent required any improvement in terms of his skill issues. Yes, this is all are the features we have to keep it on our mind. Agent performance matters a lot, again, like we have to see, identify the trend of the customer concerns also, because we sometimes will get a DSATs in a bulk. Here we have to see like what kind of trend we are observing, what kind of content we are observing over the service what we are providing. Focus will also get increase in customer satisfaction, and customer retention is also a prime concept for us, because we cannot lose our customers here. And we have to see, like, we on the basis of data, if we can do any changes with the policies, because sometimes the policy will also provide a lot of DSATs to the customer satisfaction. Agent training, and we can also see the competitive brand what they are doing in order to improve the CSAT, that also we have to identify, and branding is very important. Let's see what are the way you can improve the DSATs. The one is ACPT analysis. If you want to know more about this, the link is there in the description. Check out, you will get to know how we can improve the DSATs scores with the help of ACPT analysis. Another way are doing the quality audits, doing RCS on the errors, training and refreshers, real-time feedback, side-by-side audits, documenting the agents on the repeated errors, sharing process updates on time. Empathy, sympathy is required. Sometimes you know that the customer will not be happy with the service, but if you are using right statements of the empathy and sympathy, and we are using the right way to connect with the customer, definitely the person will convert their DSAT into CSAT also. And streamlining the process is also an important parameter here. What are the challenges we may identify in doing the DSAT analysis? Sometimes the customer will not give any survey. Post he is happy, the service was good, but he'll not give a survey. It's a challenge, we can't do anything here. But there is one option we can do, is keeping a track of all those ticket IDs and try to do outbound to the customers for pitching the service. Again, you can do this only when if a process is allowing it, or a client is allowing you to do this. Second, mistakenly customer will give negative survey instead of giving the positive survey. You can't help it, you cannot change it again, right? Data overloaded. If we have a huge data, you cannot do any analysis over there, and this is a big challenges. And if I link this particular point with the last one, which is need more agent and QA to do the DSAT scrubbing, yes, definitely. If we have a good strength of employees, definitely the analysis will become more easy, and we can improve our scores that frequently. Also, frequent changes in the process will also give a big impact, because the customer will not be aware with all the services what we are providing. If that is so, then definitely yes, we require there is a challenge actually. Yes, this is what about the DSAT analysis. So my understanding here on the DSAT scrubbing, DSAT analysis, what it DSAT here is, you should know the basic answers. If any interviewer asks you like what do you understand about this particular concept, if you're going with all these slides explaining your point in details, definitely HR will try, will can convince, and he will understand, yes, you are aware with all this particular concept very easily. Still have any doubts, still any feedbacks are there, still any concerns, you want more videos, you can see a comment box is always open for you guys in any of the video. Definitely please let me know, I will try to help you out with all the solution available. Also check out our Instagram, LinkedIn and Facebook page. You will find multiple videos, multiple information on the job opportunities also, so that you can get all the information on time. Still have any doubt, let me know, I'm there for you guys. And don't miss to subscribe the channel. Have a great day.